Hey Rhonda, how's your
Hello,
experience?
Barbara.
How's your experience?
I don't even know if I can really explain the what I thought this would be. It's beyond what I imagined it would be. I knew Tuscany would be beautiful, but my photos that I took can't even relay what I visually saw while I was here. So I'm hoping to remember that. I don't think I'll forget it. The retreat was absolutely wonderful, meeting everyone. Meeting some people for the first time, some people we knew here already. This retreat was, I would say, the next step on our journey, on my journey, the next step on my journey. And the retreats are getting better and better, and they're evolving into something we don't know. And I'm sure the next couple of retreats you have, we can't imagine those, but they're gonna be better than this. And my most favorite was the dancing that we did last night. That was the cherry on the top of the cake.